What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to discuss about some of the advantages of a one-year program and why one should select a one-year program. But before that, I just wanted to let you know that I have created a website canadainfo.co just so that we can share all of our knowledge there. If you have any kind of specific questions regarding your PR, regarding express entry, regarding what program you want to select, or regarding which college or university you want to go for, just add it there and I'll try to answer your questions as soon as possible. I review all the questions once in a week every Sunday. So just add your questions there and hopefully your questions will be answered within 7 days. I'll try my best. So why one should select a one-year program? Guys, the biggest advantage of selecting a one-year program is it saves a lot of your cost. Think about it this way. A fees for a program for 1 year is almost around $15,000 to $17,000. So if you study for 2 years, your fees is going to go up to $30,000 or even more. Now, if you study for just 1 year, you are surely going to save $15,000 or even more on your tuition cost or on your program cost. But one of the risks of selecting a one-year program is that you only get 1 year of post-graduation work permit, which means if you are planning to apply for your PR, you only have 1 year to manage everything, like managing your NOC A, B, or O kind of job, or managing reference letter from your employer, or arranging any other kind of documents. So you only get 1 year to manage all these things. And this is the reason most of the people are afraid to select one-year program. Guys, I just want to show you a real scenario. My friends, some of my classmates, and some of my friends, we all selected one-year program. And I didn't have any kind of work experience from back in India. I was a fresher and I only worked for 2 months in a small mechanical engineering company, but you can't really count 2 months of your work as a work experience while applying for PR. So when I applied, all I had was 1 year of Canadian experience, 1 year of study here, and 1 year of work permit here. And still I managed to get my PR, and same thing happened with some of my other friends, but they had experience from back in India and all of them somehow managed to get the PR. So don't be scared to select one-year program just because it is not very safe option. I understand and I agree that it is a bit risky since you only get 1 year of work permit, but you can do it and it is possible. There are already, I have seen like 8 people out of 10 people getting PR by just selecting 1 year of program. Now, there are two ways to see these things. If you have work experience from back in India or from your home country, I would so much recommend and so much advise not to go for another program, provided the work experience is more than 1 year. Because once you have 1 year of experience, all you need to manage is Canadian study and Canadian work experience, and it will increase your points a lot. While applying for PR or when you check your scores on CRS tool, you can see how much points you can get when you have 1 year of experience from out of Canada, or 2 years of experience, or 3 years or more, and how much points you can get when you have 1 year of experience in Canada and 1 year of study in Canada. I know there are a lot of people out there who are working in IT or any other field who already have 3 years or more work experience from back in India, and they are still confused whether to go for 1 year program or to select 1+1 or to go for 2 years of program. And I would highly advise, don't just believe in agents, don't go for 2 years of program just as a safe option. You can make things work by just selecting a 1 year program. Of course, it's hard because you will have to manage your first job, and that job also needs to be from NOC A, B, or O category, but it's all possible. Now, one more thing we are missing here is that once you complete your studies in Canada, you get 180 days to apply for your post-graduation work permit. It used to be 90 days during my time, now it's almost double. So let's say you graduated on December 31st of any year, and from January to June you have that much period of time to apply for your work permit. And if things work well, you will have to just manage everything and plan everything well. Let's say you manage NOC A, B, or 0 kind of job within this 6 months, then all you need to do is just complete 1 year of experience in that company and you will easily get your PR. If you want to know any more details or if you have any specific questions regarding this, feel free to add it to canadainfo.co. There is an option to ask a question on the website. as I already mentioned at the beginning of the video. Just add it there and I'll reply as soon as possible. And hope this video was helpful to you. The conclusion of this video is, if you already have some kind of work experience, let's say more than 1 year from your home country or from India, I would advise not to go for 1+1 or even 2 years of program, because studying one more year just wastes your time and money, while you can do everything by just selecting a 1 year program. So do research and plan things well. There are going to be hurdles, of course. There are cases where people may not be able to find a job, or it's hard for them to land a NOC A, B, or 0 kind of job. But don't think that it's not possible or it's not gonna happen for you. All you need to do is just plan things well, and hopefully things will work out. Bye bye, take care, and see you in the next video.